Welcome to Netzon-CPM, nestled right in the bustling heart of Davao City, where every day bursts with colors as vibrant as the people walking these lively streets. Davao City, the fruit basket of the Philippines, isn't just a thriving economic hub. It's where modernity meets a rich tapestry of traditions and cultures.
Our prime spot in Davao City is more than just a convenience. It's a proof of our commitment to accessibility and connectivity.
At Netzon-CPM, we are more than just a contact center. We're a dynamic hub celebrating Davao's diverse, top-notch talents.
We believe in honoring individuality, balancing work and life, and creating an environment where everyone not only works, but thrives and grows.
Our office isn't just a workplace. It's a gateway to endless opportunities and the vibrant spirit of Davao City, where every day is an adventure in growth and success.
Join us
In creating
a positive impact
through technology.